If monday.com is showing a server error, don't worry. There are a few quick fixes you can try before assuming the problem is on your end. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to get monday.com working again, and most of these fixes only take a minute or two. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Installing a VPN is an important step. If you're still seeing the error, switch to a different network and refresh. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile data. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your current network rather than monday.com itself. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time, then select Cached Files and Cookies, choose Clear, and restart your browser afterward. Old or corrupted browser data can often trigger strange website errors, and clearing it gives monday.com a fresh start. If the problem continues, disable your browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. In your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn them off temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with monday.com scripts and prevent the site from loading correctly. Also, make sure you're using a supported browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. If you're using an outdated or unsupported browser, monday.com may not function properly, even if your internet is fine. After trying each step, reload monday.com and see if the server error is gone. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue right away. If not, the problem may be temporary on monday.com side, so checking again a little later can also help. To recap, refresh and wait, sign out and back in, disable VPNs and proxies, switch networks, clear cache and cookies, turn off extensions, and use a supported browser. Those are the most reliable ways to fix a monday.com server error quickly. If this video helped, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more monday.com troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.